Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to revoke the freeze, mint and update authorities of your Solana token and why this is the single most important step before any real launch. In the last video, I created a token and walked you through how to mint more supply and update the metadata. As I mentioned, both of these only work because the authorities are not revoked. If you haven't watched that video, I'll leave the link in the description and you can go check it out. Today, I'm taking the same token and revoking all of the authorities and then verifying it on the public page as well as the blockchain. So if you have watched the previous video, this was the exact token that we first created. We changed the name from Scam Coin to Trust Coin and updated the logo as well. You can basically verify everything from here on the public ledger and the public page. In this video, we are going to go ahead and revoke the mint authority, freeze authority, and the metadata authority or update authority of these tokens so that our token is ready to be launched on Radium. The first one is going to be revoking the freeze authority. Go to mintcraft.io and from the drop down on create token, go to revoke the freeze authority. So starting with the freeze authority, this is the one that lets a token creator freeze token inside a holder's wallet, which basically stops them from selling it or trading it. So in short, you need to revoke this authority before you actually launch your token for trading. Now simply go to mintcraft.io, click on the revoke freeze authority button, and from here in the drop down, select the token. In this case, we are going to revoke the freeze authority for Trust Coin. Click on revoke freeze authority and the transaction was successful. If you go to the public page, previously the freeze authority was showing 0 by 15 and it was not revoked. Similarly, if you go to the Solana Explorer, you can see that the freeze authority was active. I'm going to refresh this page. And now you can see the freeze authority option is gone. That means the token freeze authority is revoked. We can do the same on the public page. And you can see the freeze authority has been revoked. Once the safety score loads, it will verify from here as well. Here we go. So done. Freeze authority is now null. Holders can always sell their token. Nobody can freeze them. Next up is going to be mint authority. This is a big one. Revoking this permanently locks your total supply. Nobody, including you, can ever mint more tokens. Remember in the last video when I minted extra supply in 5 seconds? After doing these steps, that is impossible forever. So go to revoke mint authority, select the token. So from mintcraft.io, navigate to create token and select the revoke mint authority. From the drop down, select the right token, pay with Solana, revoke mint authority. And the transaction was successful. Mint authority has been successfully revoked. We can go back and verify this from the Solana Explorer first. So here you can see mint authority is showing up as my wallet. Once we refresh the page, it should go away. And after refreshing the page, the mint authority function is gone and it shows fixed supply as 2 billion tokens. That means no more supply can be created for this token. And if you go back to the public page, it should also show that the mint authority is revoked. Here we go. The mint authority shows as revoked from here as well. So supply is now permanently fixed. This is the #1 thing investors check before buying any token. I highly recommend revoking your mint authority before going for an actual launch. Last one is the metadata update authority. This makes your token fully immutable. The name, symbol, logo, description are locked in forever. Only do this if you are 100% happy with your token branding because it cannot be reversed. So to do that, go back to mintcraft.io, drop down on the create token and click on the revoke update authority. Same process. From the drop down, select the right token. In this case, it's going to be Trust Coin. Click on revoke update authority and the transaction is successful. Metadata update authority has been successfully revoked. Now let's see once again what the public page says. Before, we had warning on all 3 authorities, and once we have refreshed, there it is, green score, all the 3 authorities showing as revoked. So just to recap, in this video, all the 3 authorities were revoked in under 5 minutes. Freeze, mint, and metadata all done. Your token is now trusted, immutable, and ready for a real launch. Mintcraft.io, the link is in the description. If you have any comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below and I will try to get back to you as quickly as possible. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That really helps us grow. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.